You're welcome back to the Crypto News channel, and today I'm going to be talking about things you need to know before you trade on any crypto exchange. All right, before you trade on any crypto exchange, there are some vital things that you must know. Okay, because it's as if you want to marry a wife or you want to marry a husband. There are certain things you need to know before you say I do. Okay, for if you're just reaching this channel, you're just coming across this channel for the first time, I want to say salute. Okay, you're welcome. And if you've been a subscriber and you're watching me again, I want to say good day to you and how are you doing. All right. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, I want you to subscribe. Okay, subscribe, hit that subscription button, and join the rest of over 1,000 subscribers on the channel. All right. Why do you need to subscribe? Let me tell you. Look at this. There are a bunch of videos right here that's going to make you a successful crypto trader, a successful crypto investor. Right here on this channel. And whether you're looking for a crypto job, there are a bunch of videos that will help you to jumpstart your career as far as cryptocurrency and blockchain industry is concerned. Okay, so let's go back to this topic. You need to look at, before you hit the buy or sell button, you need to look at the technology. You need to understand the technology behind that exchange. Okay, maybe it's a decentralized exchange or a centralized exchange. Okay, you need to look at the technology behind it. How fast is it? How efficient is it? So these are things you need to pay attention to. Okay, have they really been hacked before? Do they have any history of lagging? Okay, is it that they always shut down like every month? They're always on maintenance. So you need to be aware of all of this, because if you are trading on an exchange that often have downtime like almost every month, then it can be very frustrating, and there might be a day that you want to make a very important transaction, that you may not be able to execute that transaction because the exchange uh, is experiencing a downtime. So you need to look at the product range. Okay, imagine an exchange that allows you to save, like that allows you to buy Bitcoin using a dollar cost averaging strategy. Okay, that is a product that will be very helpful to a lot of retail traders or retail investors. Okay, an exchange that allows you to use your debit card or your credit card. That's the kind of platform that you want to do business with. Okay, imagine you have an exchange and your card is always bounced back every time you try to make a purchase with your debit card or your Mastercard. That's a red flag. So you need to look at how many products they have. They have a staking, they have a learning protocol, like a learning program, a borrowing program. They have a futures market, a sports market, a derivative market. So you need to be aware that there is a bunch of product that exists on the platform, so that you don't need to keep moving from one exchange to the other, because you are trying to aggregate all of these products that's supposed to be on a particular exchange or on a single exchange. All right, so I prefer an exchange that have a wide range of products that can serve me as a user. All right, as a user. um, then you need to look at the customer support. Is this an exchange that every time I try to reach out to the support, I'm always referred to a WhatsApp group, or I'm referred to a Discord server. I'm always referred to, let me say, the Telegram. That's not really a nice thing to me. I don't think that is nice. So I don't think that is nice. Okay, so I prefer an exchange whereby I can quickly have a live chat with the support, and I know that a real human being is right there, that is ready to listen to me, that is ready to to empathize with me. You know, that is ready to understand my challenge, and ready to solve those challenges, in real time. That is one of the exchange that you need to look, forward to. You need to ask questions about how efficient is your customer service support. Does it make sense? Is this something that it is reliable? As people been complaining about the customer support, do they lack manners? Okay, or the customer support, talk to um, their users anyhow. Okay, so if you know any exchange that is having this issue, like they have a poor customer support, I want you to name that exchange in the comment box. Okay, name the exchange in the comment box so that more people are going to be aware of it through this video, right? So also you need to look at the trading fee. Okay, the trading fee. Most people are actually losing more money because they are paying higher trading fee. Although it is highly competitive, but most exchanges today they have some kind of slightly different method of charging fees. So you need to look at the fees. Most platforms like let me have a look. This is let's search for Binance trading fee. Okay, so the standard for Binance trading fee is 0.1%. Okay, that's a standard. Now let's have a look at Coinbase trading fees. How much is that? Okay, Coinbase is actually, you know, taking more fees. They are actually charging more fees than Binance. Can you see? Okay, they are charging more fees than Binance. For you to enjoy 0.1% trading fee, you must belong to this tier. Okay, that's I find that very ridiculous. Okay, I find that very ridiculous. Okay, so imagine you are paying between 0.05 to 0.6% for what? What sense? What sense is in that? So, but except maybe you prefer Coinbase for some reasons, I know people in the US may actually prefer Coinbase because their government are restricting them to interacting with the rest of global exchanges, right? So you need to pay attention to the exchange fees. Once you look at that, then okay, let me even search for another one uh let me check for Obi. Obi is among top exchanges in the world today. You know, trading fees. Okay, Obi is charging like if you have imagine that you have greater than 2000 HT token on your balance. Okay, you'll be enjoying like 0.0362% in the trading fee. So you're actually saving more money by trading on Obi and Binance than trading on Coinbase. Can you see the difference now? So that is why it makes sense to do your due diligence and do your research. All right. So usually when I see new clients or new people coming to crypto and they're seeking for advice, these are the kind of advice I give to them. Like, okay, don't just sign up on the platform, because if you look at this 0.6%, 0.5%, 0.2%, if you calculate them over a period of year, based on your trading volume, you will discover that you are losing more money, than you think you are gaining. That is the issue with most exchanges. So you buy, you pay trading fee, you sell, you pay trading fee. So it is called maker fees and taker fees. So it is like that on all the cryptocurrency exchanges all around the world. Okay, so you need to take cognizance of that before you say I do to any exchange. So you have to test. I highly recommend that you test because before you fund your account, make the decision based on all of this information I've shared with you. Okay, and read as much reviews about the exchange as you can. All right, read as much reviews about the exchange as you can. Don't just say I do. Read reviews. Where can you read reviews? You can just go online and say, okay, review of top five, crypto, something like this, crypto exchanges, or crypto trading platform, whichever one that you like. So there are a bunch of websites like this is money.com. I don't know, the college investor. So just spend some time, look at different articles, read opinions, okay, and ask people in your community. If you don't belong to any, if you're not in any crypto community at this point, then you are missing out. So there's going to be a link to join the crypto niche group right there below the video, below this video in the description box. So click on that link and join the crypto niche group on Telegram. Okay, that is where you get to interact with a lot of people as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Okay, so seek advice, seek expert opinion. People are what you are doing right now. Some people have done it before, and some people are doing it currently. So seek advice from them and don't fall victim of scam. Don't fall victim to scam exchange. So I wish you guys a profitable trading experience. Okay, and make sure that you read reviews. Read reviews as much as you can. Okay. In conclusion, if you want to use this slide as a guide for yourself, like a reference material, let me know in the comment box. I'm not sharing with you, or join the Crypto News group on Telegram and ask for this specific document. I'm going to share with you in that group. Okay, so you can use this to teach your community if you have a crypto community at the moment, or you can also use it for personal reference, so that anytime you can always reference this material. Okay, so that is pretty much on how to how to know the right exchange for you. How to know, okay, this is the kind of exchange I want to trade in. So before you say I need to any exchange, make sure that you go through all of this information and be sure that you are not going to be losing more money, and you're not going to be losing more time. Because if you are trading on an exchange and you have an issue and they could not solve that issue for you in 6 weeks, 1 month, 1 week, then they are wasting your money, and at the same time they are wasting your time. Okay, so I wish you a successful trading experience, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Okay, check me out at ojeni_ayobami on Twitter. You can also check me out on Instagram, still ojeni_ayobami on Instagram. Okay, and let's connect from there. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. So see you in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.